Hello, my name is Neža Filipović, and in this video we will be exploring teacher practice area, namely adding activities. First we need to get to teacher practice area. My topic is topic 17 and I have already done some work on resources. Now it is time to add activities. Of course, we need to turn editing on, and as you can see, I've already put some activities here. This is forum. We have here podcast and the quiz. So let's see how to add a forum. Of course, press add an activity. Scroll down, here is the forum. Okay, press add, and I've already done the homework type of task. This time I would like to start a general discussion. Okay, and if you want, okay, if you want to ask a question, okay, so if I want this to be displayed on the page, I can display description, and if not, nothing. And I would like to skip over these different options. I like it as it is. Save and display, and I'm on the page, and I will add a new discussion topic and let it be why is it important to do this activity. Okay. And messages, I wonder why, and so on and so on. So I would like to post it to forum now, and yes, this is my discussion right now. I would like to return here, and this general discussion is at the bottom of the list. I would like to move it, and I can simply drag it to where I want it, drop it here, and here is the topic, the title, and the description. It doesn't look very good, so I think I will edit it later. And then we have this homework area where I plan for my students to put their writing. Here I have two podcast activities, so let's delete this one. Okay, and redo it. So if I want to add it again, scroll down. Here is the podcast, add, and here is the page. So the name is recording, just recording, doesn't really mean anything. This time I will skip the description, and posting options, a lot of options here, which needs considering, and so on and so on. Oops, I have just saved it. Return to the course. Where is it? Recording. It is the last, but because I saved before I did anything, I would like to go. Oops. Go there. Edit settings. Okay, let me see what. Right, save and display. and I should add one episode. The title is short recording by Sneža. Okay. Now, interesting thing is, if I really want to make a short recording, I can do it in the summary here, but here I can only upload a file. I can't record myself and put my recording here. But so I'm going to record here. Hello, this is just a short recording. So I can play it. Hello, this is just a short recording. Okay, very good. I will upload it. Insert. Now it is there. And if I want now to save changes, can I? No. Why? Because this is required. I have to put a file. I uploaded some YouTube videos here, but it took too long, and because of that, I've decided to upload an image from here, and I would like to. Oh my God! Let's take files. I don't know why, but submit. Let's see what comes out of it. This is a very nice photo, so I would select it just because of its beauty. Save changes, and let's see what. So, as you can see here, I have now a short recording which we can. Hello, this is just a short recording. Listen. Here I have media file, which is just a picture of Bohinj Lake, and because I'm really satisfied with this, I will return to topic 17, and I would like to change again, move this activity, group it to the previous speaking, and I will just show you the quiz. It is about capitals. Okay. So I would like now to edit quiz. So here is where you can add items in your quiz. Actually, I looked for this button for quite some time. Now edit quiz, and here are my 2 questions. I would like to add another one, a new question. These are all different types of questions. I would like now something short. Okay, true, false again. Add. So question name, I think it's number 3, but maybe I'm wrong. And the text of the question is, because it is about capitals, I believe, it is the capital of USA is New York. Okay. And okay, default mark. Correct answer is false. And now I can save changes and continue editing, but no, I will just save changes and have the 3rd question. Here I will return to topic 17, right? And I think I'm happy with this, so I will turn editing off, and goodbye.